Hello and welcome back to Tech Under Review. Today we have the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. As for the specs of this device, they threw everything but the kitchen sink in it, with a Snapdragon 865 paired with 12 or 16 gigs of RAM, depending on the storage options you choose. As for the storage options you can choose, you can either get the 128 gig that will pair you 12 gigs of RAM, or the 512 gig to get the full 16 gigs of RAM. Both are UFS 3.0 storage, so the read and write speed should be blazing quick either way. Alright, with some of the boring specs out of the way, let's get this unboxing underway. If we open up the box, we will find, believe it or not, the S20 Ultra 5G. As you can see, we have this nice little pull tab to bring the device out. And in the front, we will find the integrated 40 megapixel. Oh, can't really see that because of the background. See the integrated. Put a lot of black. It's like they're trying to hide it. Well, anyways, there it is. Integrated 40 megapixel front-facing camera. On the back, we'll find the 108 megapixel wide angle, the 48 megapixel hybrid zoom, the 12 megapixel ultra wide, and the little depth sensing camera. If we put the phone aside, let's see what else is in the box. Under this cover, we have the charging brick. The specs on that. Let me zoom up. Super fast charging. And these specs are a little too small to read. We also have our AKG branded headphones and a charging cable. Like always, these AKG branded headphones come with some extra ear tips. And are a braided cable. This year they removed the 3.5 millimeter jack, so this is a Type C. On the other side, we have a SIM removal tool. And I think that is about it. If we take a look at the device, we will be able to see the integrated fingerprint scanner, the 6.9-inch 3200 by 1400 AMOLED display. So to enable the 120 Hz, you have to go into your settings, go into display, lower the screen resolution to Full HD+, click on Motion Smoothness, and switch it to high refresh rate. That'll make the phone feel a lot smoother. Obviously, you will not be able to see it on camera, but in person, it makes quite the difference. So this device also does come with wireless power sharing. All you have to do to turn it on, go down into your drop-down, click on wireless power sharing. Now it says ready to charge. You flip the device over. You put the device you want to charge on it. It'll charge the device. Now it says the device is fully charged, so it deactivates power sharing. Now if we re-enable it, flip the device over again, it'll also work on cell phones. Very useful feature. I myself would not use it on phones, but for watches, very useful feature. Or Galaxy Buds. And when you're done, all you hit is cancel. That is the end of our quick unboxing of the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Our next video will be our full camera test, overview, and maybe some performance numbers of this device. And that's the end of today's video. If you like what we're trying to do here, consider subscribing, liking the video, or leaving a comment down in the comment section below.